Listen, this is the last time I'm going to say this. If you don't like the channel, unsubscribe. That's the emergency exit. No information is unnecessary at this point in the world. There's always something to learn from it. I'm not perfect, but I'm a honest person. I'm honest within myself, so I'm happy and comfortable. Conscience not ride me. I'm not an hypocrite, like your pedophile father, your abusive husband, your thieving son, or even your criminal brother. The Bible says you must pick the beam from your eyes first before you criticize anyone. And criticism is a part of blogging or commentary, so I must can freely speak about myself and my life before I criticize the deeds of others. Am I right? So all you observers out there, understand yourself. I don't have anything hiding apart from my identity being incognito, and that is for my safety, because people don't like truth. They will try after you just for the truth. You get it? Blessings. This afternoon, 2 illegal guns and several rounds of ammunition seized. Also coming up, 8-year-old stepsister allegedly molested by 14-year-old stepbrother. Very disturbing. So that and more, and trust me when I say you don't want to miss. So remember that if you're new to the channel, if it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe, plus click the notification bell, and while doing so select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel. And also remember to give this video a like always, for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Stay safe. Starting off with the looting of Beverages. The driver of a truck carrying bottled juice is now hospitalized with serious injuries he received in a crash off the North-South Highway in St. Catherine. Head of the Police, Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch, Senior Superintendent Gary McKenzie, says the driver was the sole occupant of the truck. McKenzie said on reaching the vicinity of Treadways, the driver lost control of the vehicle and ran off the highway. The vehicle overturned. And I have 2 videos that shows the vehicle reduced the mangled metal. Be attentive.
I check I just had done the hill on the toll. I go towards Linseed Bagwalk. I look like I want cream or chuck, just go load up with orange juice and them something.
So there you have it. And from St. Catherine over to Kingston, 2 illegal guns and several rounds of ammunition were seized in an operation in Raytown, Kingston 16 on Friday, June 25. No one was arrested in connection with the seizure. Detectives are continuing their probe. Call Crime Stop at 311 if you have any information that can help and assist with the process, and I'll keep you abreast on that. Now, we're taking a leap over to the western parishes. Investigators in western Jamaica have taken a 14-year-old boy into custody for allegedly raping his 8-year-old stepsister. He trespassed illegally. Reports are that the teenager and the child share the same bedroom, and since last year he has allegedly been having sexual intercourse with her. A family member reportedly found out, and the matter was reported to the police. The teen was taken into custody after the child was medically examined. The National Security Ministry said that there have been more than 400 reports of sexual offenses against children since the start of the year, And that rate needed some serious examination. I know Jamaica is all about setting records, but not of these callous acts. It should not be in criminality. What could possibly possess a 14-year-old to think it is a protocol to RAPE? I don't know if it is because the justice system is not making examples out of the ones that are caught and brought before the courts. These men that are doing these barbaric acts are being treated nicely instead of being castrated and beheaded, to be honest. And when it comes to this teen, honestly, I don't know why he thought it was a wise idea to trespass illegally on someone else's property. I don't know if he felt like a movie star, as in, I'm not sure if he was home alone, like the movie with his stepsister watching PORN, which is also a movie, and felt like one of those stiflers in the American Pie, a next movie. So his curious mind told him to run a next successful experiment on the 8-year-old due to the fact that he got away previously on several occasions. And this is nothing to laugh about. The parents should also be arrested for negligence and failed to report the matter from it was first brought to their attention, because it is said that the boy had been given the 8-year-old his vaccine from last year when the pandemic emerged, long before the health ministry imported the AstraZeneca. So it was not a random act. He planned it, premeditated, it was scripted. He should be punished severely. Moreover, you yourself, a 14-year-old, should not even be participating in such activities at such a tender age. But due to the lack of parental supervision in some of these homes and the rain given to some of these kids, them too free and Lego all over the place, everybody doing their own thing, and it will only result in more devastating and unwelcome incidents like these, and of which is also messing up the minds of our females mentally with perpetual scars instead of protecting them. Everybody can't wait to turn big man and big woman. And I can say this without a doubt, when you finally became an adult, you are going to miss your childhood days, especially your teenage years. Everyone wants to become an adult overnight. Nobody wants to wait and let time transition their development. Them say, "Cho, I can't bother ya, man. Daddy have enough girl," and them say me too young. I can't wait to get big. And when they ran out of patience, this is what happened. Them hold on and take, well, hold them down and castrate them. Simple. This will be the last time you enjoy the warm sensation of a vagina. No more cervix for you. You will no longer be able to reach that far inside because your tongue is not long enough and you have no one to blame. Remember that you only lose your instrument because you violated a woman's body. That is if your life is even spared, because it too must be taken away from you since you're bold enough to rob someone of their happiness, peace of mind and inner self. Anyway, leave a comment and make your opinion counts down in the comment section. And last but not least, this is how every returning resident should return and feel safe and unbothered without having the fear of crime and violence crippling their settlement and interrupting their cup of coffee. Be attentive.
I left here when I was 18 years old. Now I'm back at 69. Why am I coming back to Jamaica? Well, I have 12 brothers and 8 sisters. And all of them, me get all of them are foreign when me go. Me left here 69. And me get most of them up, so. Canada with me, and some da England, some da America, all over the place. And everybody's no come back. So I always want to come back because I am born one place they call Mount Lebanon, so in a bush over so. Cow tap my father name it.
How hard was it deciding to come home?
Well, it's a big, yes, a big fight. Me married now for 48 years with my wife and thing, and it's a big fight to come here now. My last kid is 43 years old, and me have the grandkids them and thing, but that's about it. We have to fight to come because them don't want me to come. Especially now that me sick with the frostbite and everything, me decide say, well, I'm told bad man and come out. Right? A pair of slippers me away from October. Right? So that's it. You know, me now go back.
So
you know, yeah. Me now, she just gone up last week too because she get stuck down here. She come down with me. She said she not live in the bush because she don't have no neighbor. So me I look some new neighbor for come in our place, you know, and build up my town. You understand? That me want some new neighbor. I see all one of my friends over there so want to come like nothing. I'm doing farming. Me have the cultivation over there when me start from about more than 25 years now. First me plant it out, the whole thing is a 30-acre lot. It is a family lot and it consists of 30 acres. And then I plant it out with banana, planting the whole thing right through where the level is. Then I plant it out with orange, all those are gone. So, but and then I come back and 2011 I come here and spend 11 months, right? And get my seeds, I put them in, get them, carry water, and bud them and plant 210 of them down there. 40 left. When we come, 40 of them left now, the beer.
Never earned from
That are the first time, see Benito, the first time me I pick one. People eat it and everybody, and everything planting, everything cut. Me not that time. Like me only come here like a month or 3 weeks at a time, and then me gone, and then blah, blah, blah. But every time me come, me spend a bag full of money and then gone again, So me have responsibility of foreign because, like I said, me go up there, me never work for anybody of foreign. Me work for myself all the time, right? At 19 people, me have working for me. Me is a lithographer, printing and lithographer. Me manufacture printed books and materials and educate the public. That's what I do up there. You understand? So but me love farming because of that. My father born in and me born in that. Me want.
After about 50 years.
50 years, 69 till now, count it.
You say, boy, I have to come home.
Well, me need to come home for a long time. 2011, me shouldn't come, but my kids and my family, me can't run left them so. When you have responsibility, you have to stick to it. So we can't just run left them so. But now, the government say we can't work again, and me no have nothing to be said, what TV and go mad. You know what I mean? And me need to do something. So me say, boy, a yard me I go. If you don't want to come, you come. If you don't want to come, me don't know what going to happen. But if you don't want to come, I phone no business. Me not come back up there. Yeah, me I come home. Because me last picking the 43, like me say 43, me not have nothing, no responsibility again. I feed them picking my grandkids them, I feed them responsibility. When me make up some, me left it up there. When me make down here for me. So me see it.
So in which year you came home?
Couple months, October 2020, when it's 2020, yeah. October 2020, from that time there till now.
You said after all this time of planting, this year is the first to make a money from your
Yeah, first we make a money off of me peer them. They 11-year-old now and them a beer. We sell 42 dozen. Benito, Rastafari, and first crop. Nobody know have the peer. Me one have it. You stand there, foreign of this. You stand there.
You said it's just more farming and...
Well, that me I do, like me say, me not have nowhere to go. Me I go make one little cabin up there, so, because my wife says she not come there, so, because no thing there, no there, so me have to go think about maybe find a gated community and bring some neighbor, one or the other, but I have some me a ton. You know what I mean? Eat when me grow and grow when me eat. You know what I mean? Me not have to go town, the oxygen around the place is so perfect.
So now that you're home,
Yeah.
how do you feel?
Homely. I mean, homely. All me have to do is go out up. One place where we born over so, in a one bush, Mount Lebanon. 1.5 miles on the nearest driving road. Okay? The only foreign thing in my house at that time was a transistor radio with an ever-ready battery. We get it when Muhammad Ali fight Sonny Liston. That was the time we got that radio. Food is the stuff of life, and it's medicine. Food is medicine, and medicine is food. You have to eat good things, like what you put in the ground. Like I remember when I was growing up, we never have to go a shop. We never go a shop. We never buy nothing a shop because we live 1.5 miles from the nearest driving road, and everything we are carry come a road, we have to carry it. We have pick grapefruit and 1 truckload. Right, 250 bags of grapefruit whole per 1 truck. Right, we have to carry it with bees and all them things. They come a road, and them the life that me used to. I be gone foreign and I don't work for nobody, I work for myself. And them when me go, I say 50 years me did that, so now me get frostbite. And me one fault. Me can't blame nobody for that. Me have to just live, but the weather not allow me to stay there. So me need to now.
So there you have it. Crime and violence is the only red light on Jamaica right now. Everything else displays green. Leave a comment and make your opinion count down in the comment section. Before I go, remember that if you're new to the channel, if it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe. Plus, click the notification bell, and while doing so, select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel. And also remember to give this video a like always, for YouTube algorithm, blessings and more beatitude. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.